Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you two easy methods to enable the ultimate performance power plan on Windows 10 or Windows 11. This can help boost your system performance, especially if you're gaming or doing heavy tasks. So let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to go to the Windows search and type in CMD. Once you have done that, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Run as Administrator. Now after you're here, you want to go ahead and simply type in the exact same thing that I did. Go ahead and simply type it in, and once done, tap and enter. So once you've done that, go back to your search bar again and type in Edit Power Plan. Tap onto it, and then you want to go ahead and tap on Power option right over here. And then inside here, you should be able to find Ultimate Performance as one of your plans. I don't have it right now, but if you do, you want to go ahead and simply select it and you're done. Now after that, head back to your home screen, open up your Chrome browser, and then in the search bar, simply search for 11forum.com. Once you search for it, scroll below and choose the power plan you want. You want to go ahead and simply tap on download, and it will give you a zip file. Extract the content and move the application to your desktop. And just like that, you can go ahead and simply go to command prompt on the website, find the step 8 and copy the provided command. And after that, paste that command into CMD and press enter. If it says the plan already exists, that means it's already enabled. Otherwise, you should now have a new power plan available. And that's it. Now you know 2 ways to enable the ultimate power plan on your PC. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.